this is my closet before. This is what I'm working with. A whole bunch of stuff at the bottom. It was not that bad, but this is all the stuff for my closet. Clothes, mix match hangers, shoes, purses, and junk that I don't know what I'm going to do with. One closet door. You know, kind of ratchet, I'm not gonna lie. And this rug. So this is what we are working with. So right now I'm just about to handle this section right here. So we're gonna see how this goes. I have a light up here, but it does not have batteries in it. So this is coming down. This needs some batteries. A comb, some artwork, one swimming shoe, this stuff. Okay, this has to come down. These I'm probably gonna keep. These I'm gonna definitely keep. Keep. Okay, all this stuff, something's gonna have to be done. These gotta go. Look how dirty. These boots are a keep. Ugh. These boots are a keep, but these purses, something has to be done. I feel like I want to do something decorative up here, but I don't know what I'm going to do with these purses. So I'm going to have to figure that out. So I don't know where I'm going to put these, but I'm just going to take everything down so it could be a clean sweep up here on it. I don't know what I'm going to do with up there. Like, I wish this came down lower, but up there might not be able to be like cleaned off, but we're gonna see. Like, I need to do something. That's like all stuff from my childhood. I don't know, I feel like I need some lights right here. Decisions. But now I'm going to go over my shoes and then we can start arranging the clothes, because I also got some hangers, but we're going to get to that. I'm about to go over my shoes. Alright, y'all, so right now I'm playing around with how I might want to organize the shoes, and I feel like this is like super cute. As you can see, I have mostly glamorous heels and a lot of sparkle, so I feel like this is cute. I'm still gonna think about getting the contact paper, but I'm just, you know, gonna play around with the organization. So I just have my cutest shoes to the front and then my everything else shoes to the back. But I feel like it's gonna look even better if I put like a touch light right here and a touch light right here. But I like it, and you can't even see like my ugly shoes. I really like it, so I think I'm gonna keep it like this. So now I'm getting rid of all these boxes, all these shoe boxes. And the only things I don't have up there are those, because those are like my everyday slides. But super duper cute. I just can't get any more shoes, but it's okay. Right. So the first thing I purchased for my room were these cute nude hangers. As you guys know, I already have some nude hangers. These don't exactly match. Let me show you. These are the Joy Mangano hangers I already have. They're like an off-white color, and these are more of a soft pink color. But I only have about 10 of these, so I'm just going to mix these in. The golds match perfectly, and that's really all I was worried about. So these hangers cost about like, I can't even tell you, but they were expensive, and I didn't get this much. These are 25 strong and durable non-slip surface space saver hangers. I got these from Nordstrom Rack. Their original price was like $30, but I got them on sale for $12.97. Honey, let me tell you, this is the first tip. Make sure you find, you go to discount places like Ross, Marshalls, Nordstrom Rack, TJ Maxx, you know, Home Goods. That is where you can find gems like this. So now I'm just going to take out all my pink hangers and switch them with these puppies right here. I absolutely love these hangers. I'm so excited. They're not exactly the same, but I'm just worried about them having the gold tops, and nudes are all good, same thing. So now I'm just going to open this up and change my clothes out. So I'm going to be getting rid of these pink Joy Mangano hangers. I'm probably going to keep them, you know, for when I move out and stuff. But everything's about to get changed, so I'm super duper excited. Right, so these are the hangers I have left. I have 6 hangers left, so I just need to decide what out of this pile I want to put on those hangers, or if I just want to add it to my drawer. These are all the shirts I have. I have a lot of shirts. These are the dresses. These are the pants, and those are like the just a few sweaters, jackets, and stuff like that. So I don't know if I want to color coordinate or what. It might be easier to color coordinate because I've organized it before, but I kind of want to color coordinate it. We're gonna see. We're gonna try both ways and see which works best. But this is how my closet looks empty right here. Not that stuff, but right here. So this is how my closet looks color coordinated, and I absolutely love it. Like, it is such a vibe. So it just goes from pink, it's not even light to dark. That's what I was going to do, but I just like the pinks, the blues, the reds, yellows, grays, and whites, and black is back there, and it just looks such luxurious. Like, I love it. Like, you can't even tell the different nudes until you're up close. All you see is gold and nude from over here, so it came out wonderfully. Like, you can't even tell there's 2 different type of hangers, and I still have like 5 left. So I'm so happy about that. I still don't know what I'm going to do with these clothes yet. I know that these shorts are going to be workout shorts. But I think I'm just going to put those in the drawers. But I'm going to put these extra hangers in the back. So for when I get more clothes, I have extra hangers. So that is a plus. So I'm just cleaning this up here. I got half of it done. So I'm just continuing to take this stuff down. It's also really shady up here. But I don't know if I can help that. So this is how my room is looking. A disaster, but it's alright. We need to clean this off and let something right, you guys, floor to ceiling. This is how we're looking. I completely reorganized this. Some of the stuff you know, couldn't be put in bins. You can't see, but I have like an American Girl doll, stuffed animals. This is all like my childhood stuff, and I have my hats right here. These are all my hats. This is more childhood stuff. I have like 2 things of awards, more Build-A-Bears, but now I have some open space for other stuff I need. So now it is just much more contained and less spilling over. So now it looks presentable. My shoes look great. The closet looks great. Down here I have my card box, but I'm probably going to move this. Let's move this. Yeah, so this is a fan. I also need to put my camera back here, and this is my camera bag. But this is so cute. I need to take this other door off, so that's what I'm gonna get my dad to come do next. But it looks so great. So I legitimately took my other door off by myself, so now the door is gone, and I absolutely love the look already, honey. Already loving it. Much more open. You guys, so I got my dad to fix my lights, and I definitely want another one coming from the other side, so I'm gonna have to get another one of those. But just that little bit of light makes a difference. You can see how sparkly the shoes look, and it's motion sensor, so when I come up on it, it's gonna do that. But alright, y'all, so this is currently my dirty clothes hamper, but it's actually a trash can. If you guys can see, that's why I still have the tags. Bulk storage container. So it's actually not even a trash can, but it looks like a trash can. Like, you never know that it is a laundry bin. But I just think it's pretty plain, and I just keep it by my door. So I think I want to bring this over here into the closet, but like, look how ugly that is. So we're gonna glam it up, and I will be spray painting the top. So I'm going to get into that. I have a whole bunch of other stuff to spray paint, so let's get into it. Y'all, so right now I'm getting ready to spray paint my curtain rod that will be going in my closet. Instead of closet doors, I will be putting up a curtain. So from Walmart, I got this curtain rod for $6. It's the Easy Hang Shower Ring rod. What? Easy Hang Shower rod is 36 to 60 inches, and I will be spray painting this gold, and I will be spray painting my laundry bin top gold, and I will be using the Rust-Oleum metallic gold bright shiny finish. So let's get into that, honey. You know the vibes, bruh. It is so pretty. Literally. And it's not even in the sun right now, but this gold is so pretty. Like, this looks luxurious. Like, I'm so shook. Look at this rod. Now I just want to turn everything gold. This is beautiful, bruh. I love it. I'm gonna have to find more stuff to spray paint. Period. I spray painted the lid of my laundry basket. So pretty, so cute. It is now gold, and it is just so cute. It blends in perfectly. I don't want it seen like super duper a lot, but just when I pull it out and you can see a sneak peek of gold, that is super cute. So I cannot wait to put my curtain rod up here and get the curtains. That is coming soon, but I just want to show you guys a little overview of what we're looking like now. And I think I want to get some seating right here. Honey, the room is going to be snatched. So I want you guys to get excited for the curtain. It is coming soon. Alright, y'all. So yesterday I went to At Home and got these $6 curtains. They're really sheer, but they were super cheap and they were a great find. These were not on sale. This is the original price of them. And they're 59 by 84. So I'm really excited. These are going to be my new closet doors. Alright, y'all, so at Costco the other day, I also got these super awesome LED accent light bars. So you don't need any light source for them. They're just battery operated. So since I took this out of my closet the other day, I'm going to be replacing it with this thing. I actually have another place for this, but I'm so excited to add this in. This is how my closet is looking with the curtains. Really nice and bougie. I absolutely love it. So now I'm just going to add the light in for a special. Alright, y'all, so the light comes like this, and it has a button right here. So this is one brightness and this is super brightness. So that's the on and off button. But to attach it to the wall, they have this double-sided sticky pad right here and this metal thing. So this metal is attached to that, and it comes with a remote. So I just cleaned off my surface like they asked me to with cotton and some alcohol, and then I measured across my shelf, and in the middle is where I put a dot so I know where I want to put my light. So now we're just gonna put the light there. So this is how my closet is looking. I am absolutely in love. This is my remote. So right here is the on button, and then we got the off button, and then you can dim it. As you can see, it's getting darker, and then you can brighten that puppy up. And then they have like different levels, but they also have a timer. But I absolutely love it, you guys. Beautiful. So now I'm going to put up my lights. These are the lights I got from Walmart. They're clear 100 count mini lights that I will be streaming around the entire closet. So now I'm just going to go and do that. These were about $3. So we're just gonna see how this works. Alright, you guys, so the moment we've all been waiting for. This is my finished closet. It is such a vibe. This is how it looks with it closed and one of my lights off. Let me open it up for you guys to show you how it looks like this. And this is how it looks. So dreamy, so beautiful without the light on. This is how it looks with the light on. And this is like the perfect walk-in closet vibe. I absolutely love it. I have my lights attached with thumbtacks. I use these bad boys right here to attach my lights. All of the lights work perfectly, so those were $3. This rug came from Bed Bath & Beyond, about $20. These curtains were $6 a piece from At Home. This light came in a pack of 4 from Costco. I reorganized my shoes. So pretty. All I have is pretty shoes, so now I just have more of a display type of vibe. I organized all my clothes by color coordination, and I got a 25 pack of these hangers. Let me show you here. From Nordstrom Rack for $9 with the gold hanger. So I got those from Nordstrom Rack, $9. This is my laundry hamper. This is actually like a trash bin that I spray painted the top of it gold, and this is what I keep my laundry in. And I just tuck it back there like that, cover it up a little bit, but if people see it, I want it to look nice. These are where I keep my everyday slides, and this is a little memory box that I keep in my closet. I have the bottom open, and I reorganized the top. If you guys remember in the beginning of the video, the top was really unorganized, but I had some of these old shoe boxes that I got from Home Depot, about 99 cents each, that I put all of my stuff in. So this is my finished closet, you guys. These are some extra lights, but I will be adding more in this section, so this whole window will also be a vibe. So wait for next week's video. Or just the next video I post. I'm not sure it's gonna be next week, y'all. It looks so awesome. I am in love with it. Let's see how it looks with no lights on. Ooh, it's probably gonna be such a vibe at night. I am absolutely in love. I will be redoing my whole room, you guys. So really, just stay tuned. Just know it's gonna be a vibe. All right, y'all. So I think that is the end of this video. My closet is absolutely done. I love it. It is so beautiful. I cannot wait to film videos in front of this space. It has great lighting. I love the closet area. It makes me love the room. I'm so excited to complete the rest of my room. If you guys are excited for it, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my brand new walk-in closet. I love it. So I'm going to be hollering at y'all in my next video. No talking, I don't like to argue. I don't. Ain't gonna be no more laughing. You see me with back, I'm gonna be the shop you. No cat, I don't follow no. Don't notch, but all you, they follow me. And then little ain't gonna shoot shit with that gun. He just put it out in this pitch.